Hello everyone, welcome back to today's class. In this class, we are going to discuss about exercise 14.2 problem first question. Okay, following table shown given in the ages of patients admitted in a hospital on a particular day is given. So ages and number of patients. Ages 5 to 15. It is a class interval given. 5 to 15 6 members, 15 to 25 11 members, 25 to 35 21 members, 35 to 45 23 members, 45 to 55 14 members, 15 5 to 65 is 5 members. Okay, it is ages given. This number of patient we have to take as a frequency. Okay, now in this we know already mode formula L plus F1 minus F0 by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2. For this whole into we have to multiply with H. Okay, then we have to add L. Now look at here how to identify F1, F0 and F2. This is very important. Okay, now in this given frequency, which is the highest one, that we have to take as a F1. Okay, in given frequency, which is the highest one, that we call as a model class frequency of the model class. So 23 is the frequency of this model class. Then preceding value you have to take as a F1, succeeding value you have to take as a F2. Okay, now come to the F1 frequency. Model class frequency is there now. 23 is the model class frequency, that is F1. This corresponding lower boundary you have to take as a L value. Lower boundary of model class. This we call as L value is nothing but lower boundary of the model class. Which is F1 is there, that we have to take lower boundary, you have to take as a L. Now H. H is the difference of the class interval. Here look at once what is given 15 minus 5. How much? 10. So H is a 10. If you take 25 minus 15, that is also 10. If you take any class interval, what is a class interval? That is a 10 only. That is H. H is a class size or class interval. Now all value we know. F1 no, F0 no, F2 no, and L also no. Okay, substitute all value, you will get the answer. Now look at what is the L value here. Look at 35. 35 plus you have to do. Then again, what is F0? From here, F0 how much is there? First F1 23. Then minus F0. F0 is 21 by what is 2F2? 2 into 21. F0 is 23 minus F0 is 21 minus 14. Okay, again we have to multiply with the class interval, that is a H, that is a 10. Now look at here, how much we are getting? 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2. Now it is 46 minus 30. How much? 35 minus, this is minus, this is also minus. How much? Minus 21 minus 14 is minus 35. Again multiply with H. Now how much you are getting? 35 plus, no, 2 into 10, multiply 20 by, how much you are getting? 46 minus 35 is 11. Okay, now 20 by 11 means we can do here division. 11 ones are 11, 9.0, again 11 8 is 88. 1.8 something is coming. Okay, so 35 plus 1.8, how much you are getting? 35 plus 1.8 is 36.8. It is a mode. Our what is a mode? Mode means 36.8 years. More mode means more number of times repeating, means 36.8 years ages patients are coming more number of times. Okay, it is we called as our mode. Now in this question he asking to find median also. He is asking to find mean. Okay, let's find mean. For mean we can do any three methods: step deviation method, assumed mean method, or direct method. Here I am explaining the step deviation method. Okay, now mean by step deviation method. Okay, now look at mean by step deviation method. Here the ages in year 5 to 15 6 members, 15 to 25 11 members, 25 to 35 21 members, 35 to 45 23 members, 45 to 14 is 45 to 55 is 14 members, 55 to 65 is 5 members. Now it is the frequency. Number of patient means that is the frequency. Sum of frequency, how much you are getting, that is we are getting 80. Okay, now look at, we have to find mid value. Okay, that is we have to take the average of the class, lower boundary and upper boundary. Here 5 is the lower boundary, 15 is the upper boundary. If we take average, 15 plus 5 is 24, 20 by 2 10. 15 plus 25 is how much, 30 40, 40 by 2 is 20. Likewise, you have to take average, that is 30 40, and here average 45 and 55, average is 50, 65 and 80, 55 and 65, average is 60. So this is the mid value. Okay, now di, we are to find deviation value di, we have to assume any one value. We can take any one. I am taking the here 40. Okay, so you take assume and xi minus a means 10 minus 40, that is minus 30, 20 minus 40 minus 20, 30 minus 40 minus 10, 40 minus 40 is 0, 40 minus 50, that is plus 10, 40 minus 20, 40 minus 60 means 60, 60 minus 40, you will get this one. Okay, plus 20. Now what is given, ui, ui means you have to, in step deviation method you have to find ui. The formula is xi minus a by divided by class interval. Class interval we already seen here, how much we are getting, that is a 10, so divide by 10. Here 30 divided by 10 means minus 3, minus 20 divided by 10 means minus 2, minus 10 divided by 10 is 1, 0 divided by 10 is 0, plus 10 by 10 is 1, plus 20 by 2 10 is 2. Okay, now this is ui values. Now what we have to find, fi ui, we have to multiply fi and ui. Fi is 6 minus 3. Okay, 6 into minus 3 minus 18, 11 into minus 2 22, 21 into minus 1 minus 21, 23 into 0, that is 0, 14 into 1 is 14, 5 into 2 is 5 2 is a 10. Okay, this is now look at, if we do sum of this sigma fi ui, how much we are getting, 37. Now we know all values here, h value is 10, it is a class interval. Now assumed value, how much is there, assumed value is 40, so take here assumed value is 40. Fi ui, how much is there, it is minus 35 we got, so do minus 37, we got minus 37. Okay, minus 37 by 80 into h is 10. Okay, now 0 get cancelled. Now 37 divided by 8 do 8 4 the 32, here 5, keep decimal, take here 0, 8 6 48, here 2, again 0, take 8 2 16, 4 0, 8 5 40, 4.625 is coming, so 40 minus 4.625, if you do minus, how much you are getting, 40 0 0 0, 4.625, it is a 5, it is 9 9 9, it is 7. Okay, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 4 is 5, here it is 3, means x bar is equal to 35.375. You can type approximate up to 1 digit, you can take, it is enough. Okay, if you want to take, we can take up to 3 digits also, but this is in step deviation method. We can choose our any method. Okay, which is easy for you, you can do any method, you will get the same answer. Okay, do like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.